On this video, we're gonna take a look at this awesome black matte frame, the center support that comes in king, queen, double, and single. Underneath, you have a adhesive that holds the mattress together, as well as wooden planks that make sure that the bed doesn't sag. So there is about 8 inches between these two bars. The bed mattress is 10 inches above the ground. You can get a taller version as well if you'd like. These are basically strong aluminum. They're hollow on the inside. Assembly is super easy. You got these labels, so it's like a 4 goes into a 4, 5 goes into a 5. It's super easy, to maybe 10 minutes to put it together. It will support at least, I want to say, 500 pounds. I'm close to 200. My partner is 130. No issues, no bends underneath. The cats love going underneath, and as I said, tons and tons of support. So now all my gym equipment can essentially go underneath. Of course, you do need to vacuum every so often. So do I recommend this? I highly recommend it. Not only that, look at this, no more dinging my shins. It's super clean. When you get up in the morning, you basically put your feet down instead of, like being treated by a piece of wood. So highly recommended. This is the ZINUS. Anyways, awesome frame. It's a little on the pricey side, but definitely recommended.